Begin by putting the front wipers in the service position. Turn the vehicle on, then off. As soon as you turn the vehicle off, push the wiper stalk, blue arrow, down once and it will park the wipers at a 45-degree angle. Once the wipers are parked at the 45-degree mark, place a large beach towel, some cardboard, or your floor mats on the windshield. While you are changing the blades, you don't want to accidentally let go of the arm and have it swing down and break your windshield. You will be changing the blades at the ends of the arms, red arrows. Porsche redesigned the arms on the Macan. They come in two sizes. The new version is 21 millimeters across, red arrows, and the old version is 19 millimeters. An easy check is to see if a penny will fit in the end of the arm. If it does, you have the 21 millimeter version. Push down on the release tab in the middle of the arm, red arrow, and slide the blade off in the direction of the blue arrow. Many aftermarket blades will come with a variety of different clips on the end to fit different application. The genuine Porsche ones come ready to install. Slide the new blade, making sure that the tab clips into the opening, red arrow. You do not want the blade sliding off while in use. Once finished, start the car and activate the wipers. This will return them to their regular parking position. The rear wiper does not need a service position. Be sure to place something between the glass and the wiper though to protect your windshield. Squeeze in the two tabs, red arrows, towards the end of the arm and pivot the blade off. Installation is the reverse of removal. Place the end of the arm, red arrow, into the receptacle on the blade, green arrow. Pivot the blade up and into the arm, squeezing the tabs, yellow arrows, so they clip back into the arm. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.